Hello children, welcome back to the session. Today we are going to see lesson 7, log on to Scratch 2 in computer, page number 57. Dear children, tell me, how do you speak to your friends and parents? Yes, you use a language, isn't it? Yes, the same way we need to use a computer language to communicate with the computer. The language that is used to write the instruction to the computer is called a programming language. A sequence of instructions given to a computer to solve a specific task is called a program. Now let's start with the first reading about Scratch. Scratch is a free open source visual programming language that helps the students, scholars, teachers and parents to create more interactive stories, music, art, animation and games. Scratch program was developed by Mitchell Resnick of the MIT Media Lab for a project of the Lifelong Kindergarten Group. Now let's see how to starting Scratch to program. Scratch to provides the two editors, online and offline editors. Both are similar with the minor differences. Okay, now let's see the steps to start Scratch to program. First, click the Start button. One pop-up menu appears on the screen. You can choose the All program from the menu and then select Scratch to program. Now let's see about the next heading, components of Scratch to interface. First one is on sprite. Sprites perform the many action in a Scratch project. The default sprite is the cat, which is present at the middle of the stage. It provides a number of built-in sprites. Under the new sprites, choose sprite from library options. Okay, now let's see the features of sprites. Sprites can be created by the user or uploaded from computer. Sprites move between different positions as per given instruction. They can rotate and jump using the blocks from the blocks palette. Okay children, now let's see about new sprite buttons. The buttons are present at the bottom right corner of the stage. There are 4 buttons. Children, now let's learn about the purpose of each button. First one is choose sprite from library. When this button is clicked, the built-in sprite library dialog box opens and provides us the various options of sprite images. Second one is paint new sprite. When this button is clicked, the costumes window opens to create or draw the sprites. Third one is an upload sprite from file. When this button is clicked, a new dialog box opens, creating the users to choose a sprite from the files stored in a computer. The fourth one is an upload sprite from camera. When this button is clicked, the web camera connected to the system opens where our image can be taken and used as a sprite. Next one is in stage. This is the main area to draw pictures, see stories and perform actions through the animation. The stage is 480 units wide and 360 units tall. It is divided into X, Y coordinates. The mouse position can be tracked based on the XY coordinates. This can be observed at the bottom right corner of the stage. Next one is on title bar and menu bar. The title bar is located at the top center of the Scratch window. It displays the name of the Scratch program. The menu bar is located at the top center of the stage, showing 4 menu options: File, Edit, Tips and About. Next interface, tabs. There are the 3 different tabs in Scratch, namely Script, Costumes and Sound. The 3 tabs perform different tasks. The Scripts tab, when clicked, opens then Blocks menu, Blocks palette and Script area. Next one is an Blocks menu. This menu has color-coded categories. There are the 10 categories: motion, looks, sound, pen, data, events, control, sensing, operators, and more blocks. Next one is an blocks palette. Each color-coded category from the blocks menu have separate set of blocks palette. The user can drag and place the palette in blocks inside the script area when required. The next important thing, script. It is a collection of sequence of instructions given to a script to do specific task. The next one, script area. Instruction in the blocks create a script or a program. They are connected to one another based on the sequence to perform a specific task. These blocks are placed from the blocks menu to create a project. Sprite. The movements related to the sprites are under the motion block. Okay, now let us learn to move the sprite by using the blocks from the motion block menu. Okay, now let's see the steps to make the sprite move. Scratch to offline editor. By default, motion block under the script tab is selected. Okay, then now we are going to drag and place move 10 steps block to the script area. Okay, now we are going to change the number from 10 to 100. Okay, clicking on the block, the sprite moves 100 steps from the current position. You can see on the screen. Okay, and then drag and place tan 15 degrees block from the script area. Type, okay, type to change the degrees from 15 to 90. Okay, keep clicking on the any block in the script area continuously. We can observe the sprite moves forward 100 steps and turn 90 degrees in a circular motion from right to left. Okay, now let us place the set rotation style left right. Okay, click the drop down button of the rotation style. Okay, we can observe that three options are there. Rotates the sprite based on the options selected. Okay, the first one is an left to right is chosen. The sprite turns the rotates and left to right. And second one is an don't rotate is chosen. The sprite rotates without turning. And third one all round is chosen. The sprite rotates and turns all around. The motion block is color coded in dark blue and control the sprite's movement. Now I am going to select the first one. Okay, and the don't rotate options. Okay, continues clicking on any block in the script area continuously. You can observe the movements of the sprite. And now let's see about the next heading. Draw a colored line and circle. Children, we have seen the sprite moving but not able to trace its path. In order to make the path visible, we need to draw a line or circle. The blocks in the pen block menu helps to draw the lines or circle. Change the pen size and color. Okay, now let us place few blocks from the pen block menu along with the blocks from the motion menu. Okay, now let's see the steps to draw the colored line. First, drag and place move 10 step block to the script area. Okay, and then select the pen block menu. Okay, the pen block menu is color coded in dark green and controls the pen except of a scratch program. Okay, first one is in pen down. Draw a lines when the sprite moves. Next one is in set pen size to. Okay, this is used to set the thickness of the pens to the specified value. Okay, now we are going to change the pen size 20. Then drag and place change pen color by 10 block and change the color by 20. Okay, this block changes the pen color on the specified value. Okay, keep clicking on any of the blocks continuously. A colorful line is drawn. Okay, you can see on the screen drawing a colored circle. Okay, now let's see the steps to draw a color circled. Okay, first drag and place move 10-step block to the script area. Okay, and then select the drag and place turn 15 degrees block from the motion block menu, and then select the pen block menu, and then drag and place pen down block from the pen block palette, and then drag and place set pen size to 1 block and set the size to 20. Set the pen size to 20. Okay, next drag and place change pen color by 10 block and change the color by 20. Okay, then keep clicking on any of the blocks continuously. A colorful circle is drawn. Okay, now you can see. Okay, and clear a spread. Okay, the stamp block is used to duplicate a spread. Okay, now I am going to drag and place the stamp block. Okay, now let us drag and place the given code blocks into the script area and observe the output. Okay, now we are going to make one code blocks. First set the pen down and set pen size to 10. And change pen color by 20. Okay, 20 steps, and then stamp again turn 15 degree. Okay, now we are going to run this script. You can observe the duplicate spread is created. Okay, okay, now to clear the duplicate spreads. Okay, now we are using drag and place the clear block from the pen block menu into the script area. Okay, now click it. Okay, you can see the duplicate spread gets cleared and the spread remains it in the position where it stopped. Okay, heading create a new project. Okay, now let's see the steps to create a new scratch project. First click the file menu and then select the new option. Okay, click OK. Okay, you can see the scratch windows open. Drag the desired blocks from the motion blocks menu and place them in the script area. These blocks create a script or a program. The project in Scratch to have the extension .sb2 and the sprites have the extension .sprit2. How to save a Scratch to project? Okay, now let's see the steps to save a Scratch project. First, click the file menu and select save option from the list. A dialog box appears. Okay, choose the location to save your project. Okay, name your project under the file name text box and save. Click the save button. Okay. Let's see the next heading. Open a Scratch project. How to open a Scratch project? Okay, now let's see the steps to open a Scratch project. First, click the File menu and select the Open option from the list. The Open Project dialog box appears on the screen. Select the desired project to be opened. Click Open button. The selected project will now be opened. Okay, children, now let us revise whatever we have learned from today's class. Scratch is the free open source visual programming language. Scratch 2 provides two editors, online and offline editors. The default script is the cat present at the middle of the stage. Stage is the main area to draw pictures, see stories and perform actions through animation. Instructions in the blocks create a script or program. Motion block controls the script's movement. Pen block controls the pen aspect of the Scratch program. Dear children, hope you have understood today's topic. Thank you.